Good day, everyone. This is Handyman service. I'm at a customer's house doing wallpapers. I have peeled all the previous wallpaper out, and then now I'm doing the new wallpaper. That's the new wallpaper. So I have taken out the power outlet to make it more easier for me to do the wallpaper. That's the step ladder, and yeah, I have nothing else. It is better to tell the customer to remove all the furnitures out, but depends on the customer, especially elderly customer. They don't. So yeah, I have no choice. Because that air conditioner right there was the toughest part. I asked the customer whether I can do the wallpaper with an air conditioner stick on the wall, but customer preferred doing behind the wall. So I had no choice but remove this air conditioner off from the wall. But since I did the ceiling part and that wall and behind the air conditioner, so I can put this back on the wall. I'll still have lots to go. Probably will take another day or two though. So when you work at Japanese customers' house, it is important to follow the courtesy wherever you visit, because in Japan you gotta take off your shoes. But if you are working for carpentry or wallpaper or air conditioner, whatever, you need to have your secure shoes on. So I usually take these shoes to the customer house and get permission if I can wear these shoes. This is called wabaki in Japan. If you can get the permit from the customer, then I use this shoes for the inside house. Another thing about working at the customer's house, this is not always happen, but customer usually bring kind of treat or hospitality, so called omotenashi in Japan. I usually say to the customer, don't bother, but thank you very much. This is about the trust from the customer, and you have to establish the special bond between the customer and yourself as a handyman. If you can get that established, then you can achieve the trust and liability from the customer. Then that's how you can spread more business to other customers or relatives, whatever. That's something that I care about mostly. I do everything for the house. As long as customer depend on me, I don't usually say no to the customer because if I say no too much, then customer will stop depend on me, and I don't want to get that happen. So wallpaper, plumbing, air conditioner, solar power, just about everything. I'm not a professional doing the wallpaper, but I have learned a few things on doing the wallpaper. So when you cut here, you can't see where the cut is. I think that's the professional work. But here, it's obvious that you can tell where the cut is. That's unprofessional. So there's something you gotta watch out, and make sure no bubbles, air inside, obviously. And then the cost, to reduce the cost of the material, like the glue, wallpapers, you need to have a precise measurement for the wall. That way you're not going to waste the wallpaper. That's what I learned. And then like that, doing the edge, you better to not cut the edge. But you do it from the edge. That way you can save more papers. And obviously don't make mistakes.